Guys, we are seeing like in the capital market segment, like in the FI, DII and other things. Guys, you're not going to be getting like a major clue what these guys are doing it internally and how much crores have been deployed on like a particular stock or particular bank or particular Nifty. No, you won't get that. But overall texture is what we get it from the exchanges. What are the texture like in which we are getting it from the exchanges? Exchanges will be giving you what is the overall buy and sell numbers of the FIIs, what is the overall buy and sell of the DIIs. Yesterday, the like an DIIs have like an FIIs have sold 1,000 crores, 600 crores in the cash market. DIIs have bought 1,500 crores. So don't expect like to tell me how come the FIs are sending like and selling 1,600 crore and how come these guys are buying it for 1,500 crore. How will they be able to match the figures? No one knows it. Okay, but that's the way it is. Whenever these guys are like selling it, they will go and buy it. Whenever they are selling it, these guys will go and buy it. I don't know whether they will talk about it in the month of June. I will buy it for 10 days. You will sell it for 10 days. I don't know whether they like can make a deal like that, but in a funny manner. But this is how the market is. Okay, whenever the FI is selling it, you will see the DI is buying it. When both of them are selling it or buying it, then that you can understand that particular day is going to be like a historical day where the Nifty and Bank Nifty can create some highs, wherein create some 3-4%. Those things can happen. But 90% of the time, what you will be witnessing is both these guys are like going to be playing a game. Whenever they are selling it, these guys will buy it. When they are aggressively like buying it, these guys will sell it. I still don't understand the logic at all. But anyway, that's the way they are. And you will see like a lot of analysts coming on the TV and saying, no, just because of these reasons, the DIIs are selling. Just because of these reasons, the FIs are buying. But honestly, none of these guys knows it, why they are buying it or selling it. Okay, they can say 1,001 stories. Don't believe in all those stories, because if I would have trusted those stories, I have lost money in the past. That's the way the market has been. Okay, guys, I can give you all the reasons for the market to rally today, and I can give you all the reasons for the market to fall today at the end of the day. How? If the market would have rallied, I can say these are the positive things that just happened in like and the market was expecting. That's the reason that's rallied. If the fall would have happened, I can say, no, market has already rallied 1,500 points in the month of series of June. And moreover, the crude price is going higher. Crude is going higher. Dollar is like and the dollar index is going higher. That's the reason for. But if the market is going higher, I will turn the plate and say, no, the market has risen because yesterday the numbers which came from the GST collection is pretty huge. Okay, market was expecting positive things to come in the future. That is one good news. One more thing is the vaccination program is going on like in a fast mode now. Okay, Moderna vaccine is coming in. That is again a good reason for the market to rally. Guys, I can say either side based on how I wanted to do it. Okay, it is like guys, it's about the mindset. Okay, it is the same thing with me as well. Like, and I am giving you some insight in the morning and like and telling you all whether the market is going to go higher or lower based on certain parameters. But what I am trying to do as well, which sentiment is going to be more today, whether the buyer sentiment is going to be more or the seller sentiment is going to be more based on some of the data as well. Okay, in spite of all the positive things, why did I say it is going to be a sell on rise market? People can be asking me, right? Everybody was saying like it's a buy on dips market. Why like Shiva is telling like it is a sell on rise? Because the data was suggesting that. That's the reason I'm saying it is a sell on rise. Yesterday, if someone would have sold it, do you think he will be in a hurry to buy that back, or like and without even booking his profit? No, he wanted to book some profits. Only then he will let the market go higher. That's the reason I was telling you it is a sell on rise market. And that is the data which we are able to get it from the like an FII, DII stats and other things. Yesterday, I told you today, these guys have not been building up massive positions, right? Look at this. Yesterday, they bought index futures 400 like in crore and index options 400 crore. But whether they bought in Nifty options, whether they bought Bank Nifty options, no one knows. On the other hand, someone who has bought the index futures, they have sold the stock futures and they have sold the stock options as well. So it is very like a divergent data, right? Why you wanted to like and buy the index future and sell the stock future? If the stock futures is going lower, how can the index futures keep going higher? That cannot be happening. That means they are using some hedging positions between the futures and options segment, and they are playing it. And that's the exact data which you are seeing it in the participants wise Y data as well. If you are seeing bullish, more of bullish on this FII data, that means they are clearly like an aggressively like and trying to buy the future, trying to buy the index call, trying to buy like and short the index options. Everything is happening. On the other hand, if you are seeing this data like bullish, bearish, bullish, bullish, bearish, bullish, that means even they are not sure what they wanted to do with this market. Okay. On the other hand, who are the pros? Pros are the ones who are like in the HNI players. Who are these HNI players? Someone who is having like in 500,000 crore in the market who wanted to just play it in the large deal, similar to the way the FIs are playing it. These guys will also be playing a lot of quantity in the futures and option segment. They will be building some positions in the options, futures, and everything. So even they, in the future index and future stock, they are bullish, but in the stock, like an option segment, they are completely bearish. So this means even these guys are not sure whether the market is going to be going up or down, but they are hedging their position. But there comes the smart money. Like, and who's the smart money here? It is the retailers. These guys always tend to do opposite of FIIs. I don't know why. Okay, don't ask me the reason also. That's the way they are. Okay, if the FIIs are in like an what to say long mode, they will be in a short mode. If the FIIs are in the short mode, they will be in a long mode. I wanted to know how come the retailers know exactly what the FIIs are doing it and they're doing opposite. Okay, that's the way our retail community is. What the retail community is doing, just jokes apart, they believe when the smart money is moving in one direction, they feel we all can combine together and pull the market in a reverse direction. Okay, when the entire world is like in crashing, these guys will try to buy like in a calls. Yesterday, look at this, these guys are buying like in calls and other things yesterday evening. And today, imagine if they are holding the calls now, they will be on a big soup. Day before yesterday, it is the same story. Okay, yesterday the entire like the FIs like were completely bearish, and you saw what happened in the second half. Yes, if you are a smart client, if you'd have like sold it in the morning, you would have been happy. But if the same client would have been holding it for the past 3 days, yesterday also holding it at the end of the day, he would have been in a big soup. Okay, so it's very vital how you read this data. Who's the client? It is all the retailers. And for some strange reason, the domestic institutional investors don't trade in the options market at all. I don't know why. Okay, so you won't get like much of data from them. So don't forget about them. So where the market is,